Hello and welcome. This is a drink called How to Make Carbonated Earl Grey Vanilla Tea, Calamansi, Citrus, and Strawberry. First thing, you put the tea bag into this mug and you fill it with water. And then you go like this, and after that, go here, go ahead, and you open up this Calamansi, Citrus, and Strawberry carbonated water, and you pour it into this mug, like halfway. And there you go, folks. Here is your carbonated Earl Grey Vanilla Tea, Calamansi, Citrus, and Strawberry. Enjoy, folks, and thank you for watching. Peace, cheers, and have a good summer.